Hey y'all, Mike here. So today I want to shine a spotlight on Classic Caps, an amazing hat manufacturer based in Texas that's been making caps since 1928. I'm going to show y'all close up a bunch of the hats that they manufacture and tell y'all a little bit more about why they are one of my favorite hat manufacturers that's made in the USA. So I've known about Classic Caps for a few years now, but I've only recently got in touch with their team. Valerie and the folks at Classic Caps are awesome people, and just to give full disclosure with y'all, they did send me all of these hats. I did not buy them with my own money. However, that doesn't influence my opinion on them whatsoever. I've been sent subpar stuff before from other companies and will always call out where I think areas of improvement can be made, and the same values apply to Classic Caps. However, truthfully, I really can't find a ton of areas of constructive criticism for these guys. These hats are pretty awesome. So before I give y'all some close-up shots of all of these hats, let's get a little bit more on who Classic Caps is. The company got started in 1928 as Dallas Cap and Emblem Company, and then got rebranded to Classic Caps in 1985 when the founder Jacob Pasternak passed the company to his daughter Rosalie. Since then, Rosalie's children have taken over the business, including Valerie Granat, who has been the contact and the co-owner that I have been talking the most with. Classic Caps does a lot in the world of hat manufacturing. They can sell direct to consumers like you and me, but they also do a lot of work for wholesaling, private labels, and any other company that needs hat manufacturing. So if you need a hat manufacturing partner for your business or custom bulk orders of hats for things like your sports team or your work or some other event that you're planning, definitely hit up Classic Caps. Obviously, you can see that none of the hats that I have here have any patches or embroidery or anything like that, but that's definitely something Classic Caps can do for you. Overall, they're a really versatile hat manufacturer that offers a ton of other services like fulfillment, R&D, and a bunch of other stuff. So I encourage y'all to check out their website where they have a ton of information on everything that they can do. All right, now let's get to all of these hats that they sent me. It is quite a variety, so it should give you a good sense of everything that's in their catalog. Now, their catalog is also available on their site, and it's pretty easy to read and follow along. So definitely check that out for everything that they offer for both just online ordering if you have a cap or two that you're interested in, or bulk custom orders as well. All right, let's start over here on my left, your right. I also wrote down all of the names for the hats just to make sure I got everything right. First up is the USA 925L, which is their perforated boonie hat. This one is great lightweight performance wear, and the different letters stand for the different marks that can go into the hat. In this case, I got these lightning bolts, which is pretty cool, but they also have diamonds and circles and a lot of other options in their catalog. But this is great for working out or just a day on the beach when you need a hat with a full brim. Next up is the USA 110C and the USA 175. So for these guys, the USA 110C is just their curved trucker hat that has a matching mesh and front panel. And then we also have the USA 175. This is going to be their contrasting mesh trucker, where you can see a little bit of a different color on the back of the hat versus the panel on the front. I also got a second performance cap from Classic Caps. This is the USA 950D. It's got the same material as the 925, the bucket hat that I just showed, but this one is a perforated performance cap. I got the diamond perforations in here, but this is going to be, again, just great for working out and outdoor activities. Next is the USA 200. This is their dad cap, which you can get in a washed or unwashed finish. Washed is going to be a little bit softer and kind of worn in feel to it, but this is obviously just a really great straightforward ball cap. Next up is the USA 175. This is a trucker cap that is in camo. They have a few different color variations here, but this is one of their newer caps in the line, and it looks really great. And the last one I have here is the USA 700. This is their standard twill cap. Now this is a little bit different from the USA 600, and the difference between these two is a 5-panel cap versus a 6-panel cap. This is the 5-panel, but if you prefer 6, then it's pretty much the exact same look and feel, just with that slightly different configuration to it. So these are just a few of the options that Classic Caps has in their store and their catalog. So again, encourage y'all to check out everything else that they offer. I didn't even cover things like their flex caps, their beanies, and a bunch of other stuff in their store. So overall, great hat manufacturer. Definitely check out Classic Caps, whether you need just one or two to add to your wardrobe, or a big bulk order, or a manufacturing partner for your business. That's it for this one. Let me know if y'all have any questions in the comments below. And as always, thanks for supporting your country and shopping American made. See y'all next time.